Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on grouping symbols worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice removing the grouping symbols to get the algebraic expression. And in some cases where we have like terms, we can add the like terms together to simplify the algebraic expression. Now, we've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you are not sure what to do, or if you haven't seen the lesson, on the next slide, directly after this one, there is a link, and if you click on the link, that will take you straight to the lesson, and it explains how to do all of these examples. So let's quickly just go through a few of these and see what we have to do. It says, simplify by removing the grouping symbols. In the lesson we saw an example like this where we have a number here, we have some brackets or grouping symbols, which are these curves, and we have some terms inside. The lesson explained that the number outside is multiplied by each of these terms, and that's what we do. So there's no sign here between the 3 and that grouping symbol, so it's multiplication. So the 3 is multiplied by each of the individual terms to give us the answer. So that's the same with the first 4. With the next one, we just have 2 sections. See here, we just had one of those types. Here we have that section and that one. Just do them individually. It's exactly the same thing. So do this one first, then do this one, and this is where you'll end up with an algebraic expression where you have some like terms, and that's where you add the like terms together to simplify the algebraic expression. So it's quite straightforward. Don't forget, let's go to 10. This is a very interesting one. Don't forget the rules when we're multiplying particular numbers or terms together with particular signs. Minus 7 times minus 5. You have to remember what sign that gives us. Minus 4m times plus 5. You have to remember what sign that gives us. We've been through all this in previous lessons. Now, if we look at the last 5 here, these are classic examples where you multiply all these out. If there are like terms together, just add the like terms to simplify each algebraic expression. So this video has given us just one slide where we can practice removing the grouping symbols to end up with an algebraic expression, and when there are like terms, you just add or subtract the like terms together to simplify the algebraic expression. So on the next slide, there is a link. If you need to click on it, please do so, and it'll take you to the lesson on this very topic.